So I have a client coming in today and he's going to be getting dreads, and it's going to be from his hair, the initial beginning of that. And I'm going to take you guys and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoy this one as well. Yeah, from the beginning. We were having a discussion as regards to how thick he would like to have the locks, as well as how long he would like to have the locks. After having this discussion with him, he was settled on what I showed to him. What it looks like.
You're a different kind of beautiful. Run my hand through your hair in the morning, it's unusual. The way your skin glows on the pillow, I can't get enough of you. Every day's a honeymoon, let me show you. I'll pull you closer, I just wanna stay in love with you. I don't wanna fall for someone new. Baby, you're my sunshine, my treasure, just keeps getting better. Baby, you're so irresistible. Dancing in the kitchen, crying in my arms, fighting in the car, making up and killing. Every moment feels brand new. Let me hold you when you all over. I just wanna stay in love with you. I don't wanna fall for someone new. 'Cause baby, you're my sunshine, my treasure. Just keeps getting better. I'm in love with you. 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 Oh, I know it's gonna take us a lifetime, like red wine. It's divine. Wanna sip on you every day, and things are gonna change.
I'm using the underbelly of the braids or the dreads itself. I'm holding the length of the hair, and the hair to the top is what I'm stretching and teasing at the same time. Giving him, and I'm using a finer teaser to get that length that he wants. Because I can literally make this dread real short, but he wants long dreads, so you have to know how to hold and stretch at the same time. You guys appreciate that one. There we go. I got the length he wanted, which is by shoulder length. And then after I go in now and I turn with these two fingers. Just turn, and then I go in with my 2 prongs, and then I use the 3 prongs, and then I go back in with the 1.
I'm in love with you. 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 I'm in love with you.
Where you been? Running from things that you know. Just trying to find where to live, but it's not bringing you home. As if hope was a pill or a bottle or a phone that could hold me, heal all my sorrow, but still nothing upholds me and frees my tomorrow like you. Ooh, with you I see the morning always comes. With you I hear the story told by love. You never leave a diamond in the rough. There's better seasons rising like the sun, 'cause morning always comes. Sometimes I'm fine in the backseat, feels like my life's moving past me, and I get so caught up in things I'll forget 10 days from last week. There's too much blessing every day for me to leave on the shelf. Just lift your head, 'cause there's no reason you should be by yourself. 'Cause life is a gift worth more than trying to survive. The sun still rises tomorrow, if it's 9 or it's 5. If you're looking for goodness, then that's what you'll find. With you I see the morning always comes. With you I hear the story told by love. You never leave a diamond in the rough. There's better seasons rising like the sun, 'cause morning always comes. Morning always, yeah, morning always comes. And morning always, yeah, morning always comes. Morning always, yeah, morning always comes. It was dark for a while, but I can see the light. Lost my heart for a while, but now I'm feeling right. Hold your hope in the trial until you leave the night. Yeah, morning always, oh morning always. It was dark for a while, but I can see the light. Lost my heart for a while, but now I'm feeling right. Hold your hope in the trial until you leave the night. Morning always,
wait.
It's been a long time, but I remember it well. Just like the photo we keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young, oh, we were young. Now 10 years have passed and we're still locked in time. I don't take for granted the years that go by. Started with a gaze, here we remain. All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fits in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You make me feel like enough. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. My heart is racing, these tears of happiness shaking. 'Cause I know that I found love. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours.
Always believed that after the miles we find ourselves here at the end of the aisle. Looking at me, you're looking at me. What more could I want? What more could I need? Our hands intertwined in this sweet symphony. You're all that I want to forever breathe.
All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fits in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You made me feel like enough. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. My heart is racing, these tears of happiness shaking. 'Cause I know that I found love. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. Forevermore, I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. We rise and we soar. Forevermore, I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours.
Waiting, patient, only thing that I've never been good at. No, no, chasing ways to have you to myself just like I should, yeah. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body, turning me